what's up guys? So today I'm going to make a really cute Halloween wreath with items from the dollar store. So this entire wreath costs less than $10. What you'll need is a wreath ring, 14 inches. I have 4 rolls of black Deco mesh. They are 6 inches in width. A roll of Halloween pattern ribbon. This ribbon is 2.5 inches wide. And Chanel stems. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take 2 rolls of the black Deco mesh and lie them on top of each other. We're just doubling it up so it'll be nice and thick. Okay. And it does stick, so be careful. And to start off, you just want to put the Deco mesh around the inner ring and tie it in a knot. Tie it in a knot, just like that. Next, you're going to pull the Deco mesh through the first ring. You want to kind of estimate just to make sure it's all even, but you can make it the loops as high as you'd like. And then pull it through the second. And then pull it through the third. And try to make them as close to the same as possible. Just like that. Then you're going to scrunch them all together. Like so. You're going to twist it a couple of times. And then you're going to come around and do the exact same thing. You go back to the first space, and then you loop it through the second and through the third. So you'll come back around just like this. And it does stick to itself, so that's going to be the most difficult part. So you loop it back around. Do the first ring. And then you pull it in through the second ring. Just like that. And then through the third ring. Just like that. So this is what both of them look like. And I'm just going to keep repeating this over and over all the way around the ring. And then, so I have 2 in this section. You could definitely squish it again to make 3 in each section. Whatever you choose. Alright you guys, so I've gone all the way around. I'm on the last section. Just like that. So I twisted it twice. Then I'm going to go right here and just tie it in a nice little knot. People do it different ways. I just think that looks fine. It'll get covered up. Just tie it in a nice little knot. You can cut off the excess and then just tuck it away. Alright, so this is what it looks like. And since it's double layered, I'm going to separate the layers just to make it a little poofier and give it a little more volume. So separating the layers, I'm literally just pulling them apart, just like that. Every loop. And I'm going to do this all the way around. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Next, we're going to add the ribbon. So this is the ribbon I'm going to use, and I'm going to cut 16 pieces 9 inches long. So each piece will be 9 inches long. So I have 16 pieces cut here. And I did ribbon cut the ends. Let me show you how I did that. I have the 2 open ends on the bottom, the fold on the top, and you just cut at a diagonal. Just like that. So I did that to all 16 pieces. Now I'm going to use the Chanel stems to place them on the wreath. So first, I will take 2 pieces, crisscross them, and scrunch them. So it looks just like that. Gonna take a Chanel stem and tie it around the 2 pieces, nice and tight, a couple of times. So it looks just like that. Then I'm going to, sometimes you can use the back to kind of cheat a little bit. Find one of the cross rings like that where it crosses over. There's 6 on the wreath ring. So I'm going to find that one right by the center. And I'm going to place the chenille stem around the inner 2 rings. Then I want to adjust it, make sure it looks nice. And then I'm just going to twist it at the back. Do it one more time. Take 2 pieces, crisscross them, scrunch. Take a chenille stem, tie it in the center. Just like that. Then you want to adjust it. Just like that. And then you find the next cross section, which is right here. Take the chenille stem and place it around the inner 2 rings. Then you just twist it just like that and adjust it. I'm going to do this to all 6 sections. So this is how it looks all done. Very cute and sweet. You could just end it here. This is a very cute wreath. Or you could just add something to the center. I saw this at Dollar Tree, and with Dollar Tree, what you see is not what you get. I'm actually going to just cut and use the center of it. So you can always improvise. So this is what the center looks like. Really cute. Welcome to our web. And that's going to go just right in the center of the wreath. Right there. Just to add a little extra flair to it. To attach this to the wreath, I'm going to take 2 chenille stems. And I'm going to twist them together. I'm just going to take hot glue and hot glue it here, and then make another one and hot glue it down here. So I'll have 4 ends sticking out. I'm just going to wrap the ends of the chenille stems to the inner wreath ring. Right there. And there's the final product. Very cute and sweet.